Hello and welcome to our video on transferring calls on your Xelion desktop application. When you've made or received a call and you've picked it up on your desktop application, you'll see this black box pop up on your screen where you will click the answer button. Once you are speaking to the individual that is called or that you have called, you will then be greeted with multiple buttons to administer this call. And in this session, we're going to cover both blind transfers and attended transfers. A blind transfer is where you will send the call to a colleague without speaking to them first. And an attended transfer is where you will consult with that individual first before transferring the call through. So in this case, let's cover a blind transfer first. So if you click the three dots, blind transfer, you'll then be greeted with options to search. You can type in an individual's name or an individual's extension, or even type in a mobile number if you wanted to transfer it through to a mobile. In this case, if I search for Kevin, I can click on Kevin, and that will then give me the three options of numbers linked to Kevin. And in this case, I want to transfer it through to his extension. That will now send the call directly through to Kevin, and we can now see Kevin is on the phone speaking to the client. Next, what we want to cover is how do we cover a blind transfer. So I'm just going to get another call on the screen. And now we will go through the blind transfer process. There's two ways to do a blind transfer. If we wanted to transfer through to a colleague within our own organization and we have presence on our screen, the easiest way to do so is actually just to go and click on Kevin. When I do that, I can select his extension. That will automatically put the customer on hold and will start ringing Kevin on line 2. When Kevin picks up, we can now speak to Kevin and tell him we wish to transfer a call through to him. One thing's important to remember is this is line 1 and this is line 2. I can jump between the two lines. So for an example, if I wanted to go back and speak to the customer and ask them what the call is about, I can hit play and that will automatically put Kevin on hold. And likewise, I can go back to Kevin and provide him with further information. Once I'm ready to transfer the call, I simply hit the transfer button and then select line 1. And that will complete the attended transfer. And again, we can now see Kevin is on the telephone. To cover the other way to do an attended transfer, let's just get another call. The other way to do an attended transfer is rather than clicking on presence, we begin with the transfer button on the screen. Transfer, call before transfer, and then again we can search for the person, or if they're on the list, we can just select them right away. And this is the exact same process. We have two lines and transfer. Thank you for watching the video on transferring calls through Xelion. We hope to see you again. Thanks.